Even protein shakes are really bad. 3 years to digest one scoop of protein shake, by the way. It stays in your body. So you should just mark that.
So according to Ayushmann Khurrana, it takes 3 years to digest a scoop of protein, which means that someone like me who has been taking whey scoop for almost 3 years every day is fucked for life. Like, come on, do you seriously believe that? Man, I've met Ayushmann Khurrana, he seems like a chill guy, but there's so much misinformation on the internet that people believe anything. But don't worry, if you watch this video till the end, all your doubts regarding whey protein will be gone. Should you take whey protein? Is it safe? What should you take it with? Everything will be covered in this video. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the main video. So I started taking whey protein 3 years back, which almost equals to 1,000 days. I was lifting for like 6 to 7 months even before that. And trust me, I was really confused whether I should take it or not. People in India view whey protein as some sort of steroid, and if not that, then they view it as some magic substance which can change your body in just couple of weeks. Don't be this dumb. But looking at the progress pics, you will definitely think that it's all because whey protein. If I start taking it, my body would also change drastically. Let me burst this bubble for you. Whey protein isn't gonna do something like that for you. The only reason people use whey protein is because of convenience. Let me explain how. Suppose you want to eat 25 grams of protein in your breakfast, but you are getting late for work or college or whatever it is. Now, you are given a choice of eating 4 whole eggs or just a scoop of whey protein with water. Of course, drinking whey will be suitable for you. It will be really convenient for you. That's all whey protein does. It makes it easy for you to hit your daily protein goal. Since I was really busy with college and it started like 7 a.m. in the morning, I didn't have much time to make a breakfast for me. So I took 2 scoops of protein every day, and that is like 50 grams of protein, and the rest I managed with whole foods. Now some of you intelligent people will be thinking that I will take 5 scoops of protein, then it doesn't matter, right? I can eat anything I want and still make gains. Well, you would, but the quality of protein you eat matters. Yes, it is convenient, but you have to understand that the protein you get while eating chicken is definitely better than whey. Don't get me wrong, whey isn't bad, but if you do anything in excess, it is. And second of all, whey protein isn't cheap, man. So if you are young, then spend your money adequately. Don't be an idiot. By the way, if you think you have learned something from this video so far, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos just like these every single week. Also, if you like this video, then make sure to check out these two. I made on pre-workout and creatine in the similar way. You will definitely learn something from those two as well. Anyways, if you are eating good amount of protein every day, hitting your protein goals, but if your training is shit, your progress will also be shit. Following a good workout plan is really important. You will literally be wasting your money and a whole lot of gains if you are eating enough protein but not working out properly. Hitting high compound movements like bench press, squats, rowing, and combining them with isolation movements is crucial. If you don't have a proper workout plan, don't worry. I will link some of the programs which I used in the description box below. Follow them properly. It has everything from reps, sets. Now another major thing which people get confused is when to drink it and with what. You can literally drink it any time of the day. Just before sleeping, just after waking up, with your dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever it is. But in my personal experience, these 2 times works the best. Just after your workout, when your body needs quick digesting protein to build up all those muscles, and after you wake up in your breakfast. These 2 times I feel like are the best for taking whey. If you are planning on just taking 1 scoop of whey protein, then make sure that it is just after your workout. That's the best time. And you can take it with anything. You can make protein pancakes, you can make protein French toast, you can drink it with water, milk, whatever you like. It all comes down to how your calories are looking in the whole day and adjust it accordingly. Before I end the video, just know that whey protein is safe. If you have the money and the will to make drastic changes in your body, then you should definitely take it. There's nothing to worry about. Just don't take it as a substitute to whole food. Majority of your protein still should come from food items like chicken, egg, paneer, soya, milk. Use whey protein as a tool, and that's it. If you have any doubts, then make sure to follow me and DM me on Instagram. Username is in the description box below. Also, if you are someone who struggles with confidence, have low self-esteem, make sure to check out my last video which I made. It was the secret of getting more confident. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare.